Hi and welcome to this channel once again. In this video, I'll show you how to get 100 followers on medium.com. So for those of you who don't know what Medium is, medium.com is a free writing platform that you can write and share your stories, but at the same time, you can make money off it. Getting started with the partner program. To join the partner program, you first need to meet two eligibility requirements. One, have at least 100 followers on Medium, and two, have published at least one story on Medium in the past. Responses don't count, okay? So responses on Medium is like comment on YouTube, so those don't count. All right, so let me show you how to get 100 followers on Medium. This is an article that I wrote, 100 followers requirement. Let's grow together. Join me and let's get to the 100 followers threshold together. Okay, so I'll show you how I did it. So like I told you earlier on, effective January 2022, you are required to get 100 followers to be part of the Medium program. And the reason why I wrote this article is to hit the threshold quickly and earn money. So before this strategy, I had 29 followers, and after when I use the strategies I'm about to show you, I bump up to 15 more followers. So it's gonna be good if you can write an article, to invite people to join you to grow together. The main key is right here. So hear me out. You must help new writers who need 100 followers just like you. And how? So I said find an article on 100 followers. After reading it, clap, comment, and follow the author. Many writers will not follow you back, but hey, don't worry. Instead, follow the ones in the comment section, and many of them will follow you back, which is exactly what I did. In your case, you can use my article. I found this article from this guy. I will help you to get 100 followers in 24 hours. So I read this article, and after I click on here and I commented, which in my case is the same thing. You can read mine and click here and comment, or you can even highlight. So let's say all this, okay? Then you click on highlight, then it's gonna highlight for you. I don't want to do that because this is my own article. I'll show you where the trick is. All right, so I click on this and I commented, and this was my comment. I will show you quick. So I said, thanks, this article is good for beginners and it's well written, blah blah blah. I have been on this platform since last year, but I didn't take it serious until last month, October 2021. Why? Because I'm making money every single day. Not much, but it feels good, and I don't want to lose this opportunity from January 2022. So I'm here to support the community. See, I have 68 claps, 2 comments. So when people read this, what they do, they just go straight to my avatar here. They hover and they're gonna be a follow button because I'm inside my own editor, so I can do it. Then they click follow, or those who want to comment, they can comment. It's gonna show up here. So let's say you're gonna get a message, for instance here, mention you in story, my secret to reaching 100 followers in 5 days. All right, so this lady has used, I guess, let me see, I guess my story helped her, and I follow her too. So she's just thanking me and everybody. Okay, so let's see if I can find my name. It feels good when people mention your name. Okay, let me do it quick. So I go all right, so this is me. So she used my strategy. All right, so like I said, this thing is working, and this is the right and perfect time to get this message, just so you understand what I'm talking about. All right, because this is a fresh message. So let me go back. Actually, I'll close this. I don't need it anymore. All right, and I'll close this. I don't need it anymore. All right, so let me show you the money that I've made so far for this month. So let me show you quick. Then I go to Medium Partner Program, scroll down. Right now I have $65.90, and sign up through my link, and it's $5, so you get 50% of it minus processing fee. So I get $2.27, making $68.17. So this payment will come if I don't get anything anymore, which not good. I want to get times 100 of this. All right, so I'll get this money next month. I believe the first Friday of the month, but effective January 2022, if you don't have 100 followers yet, you're not gonna be able to cash out. And I believe they're gonna hold on to it until you get your numbers. Okay, what are some of the things that you can do in order to get the followers quick? So first, you need to write an article, but I would advise you to write at least one article a week. Write quality articles and write about something that you have experience about or you know much about, okay? And especially something that will add value to the reader's life, okay? Or something that will teach your reader something good, okay? Read more articles on this platform. And like I said earlier on, if you read something and you really like it, let's say this quote, you're just gonna highlight and click on this. So when you click, just make sure you add your name. I see people just click the highlight and that's it. But what you do when you click the highlight, it's gonna pop and they're gonna change the color, okay? And what you have to do next, click this, which is the comment, and add your name, all right? And maybe write something. It's more helpful because when you just click on the highlight, it doesn't show your name, so nobody knows, okay? Yeah, I see people do these mistakes all the time. Be consistent on this platform, all right? If you write bad comments, people will block you or hide your comments, okay? And it's no good. So just be nice. If you don't believe or you don't like what you read, just move on, okay? You don't need to comment. Alright, also don't follow more than 100 people a day. So the best thing to do is like follow about, let's say 30 in the morning, 40 in the afternoon, and another 30 in the evening. Just break it. Alright, so let's see if I told you earlier on that you have to pay $5 for the membership, and the membership is different from the partner program, okay? So the partner program is more or less like affiliate program, and the membership gives you the opportunity to read more articles, whereby the partnership program, you want people to subscribe through your link and you get some money, but you make more money when people read your articles as well, okay? So it's good to get the 100 followers threshold just so you can make money from the membership and at the same time from the partner program, okay? So this is my link. You can click on it and sign up if you haven't signed up yet. Effective January 2022, you are required to get 100 followers to be part of the Medium program and to have published at least one story on Medium in the past. But you must help new writers who need 100 followers just like you. And how? So I said find an article on 100 followers. After reading it, clap, comment, and follow the author. Alright, also don't follow more than 100 people a day. Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and I'll be bringing more videos on Medium. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe. I wish you all the best on Medium. Bye for now.